Hello everyone! Today you will find out how to enable one-click bug reporting with Jira. All the examples we will discuss in this video will be shown on the example of Aqua, a test management tool with reusable test cases and AI features to streamline your project's testing process. Consider Aqua if these features meet your needs. Check out the link below for more details. First of all, to enable the one-click bug reporting, we'll need to set up a simple and quick integration of Aqua with Jira. You actually have two options how to do that based on your project needs. Option 1, Aqua with Jira Sync integration. This option ensures that all your requirements and defects from Aqua will be immediately displayed on the Jira side. Option 2, Aqua with Jira plugin. This option allows you to create new Jira issues right out of a test execution in Aqua or as a dependency to any existing Aqua items. Option 1, Aqua with Jira integration. When creating new items and defects in Aqua, the system will automatically create these items in Jira and remember the dependencies between these issues in Jira and Aqua. To start with the synchronization, you need the Aqua Desktop Sync Configurator. It's crucial to map the necessary fields in both Aqua and Jira and ensure that users in both systems have the same email addresses. This technical user is essential for the connection between the two systems. During a test execution in Aqua, if a test step fails, you can save the execution and create a new defect. Option 2, Aqua with Jira plugin. From the item interface in Aqua, click on Connect to Jira at the top of the interface, then enter the Jira issue ID or create a new one. The test execution details will be included in the Jira issue description. This option allows creating or linking Jira issues directly from Aqua, ensuring seamless transfer of test execution details. You can connect your existing bugs in Aqua to Jira effortlessly. If you prefer, you can create bugs directly in Jira. However, these will not sync back to Aqua unless they are linked during creation. Using dependencies diagram, after adding items in Jira, you will be able to see the dependencies between the items in Aqua, as long as connected items in Jira using Aqua's dependencies diagram. Let's get to the exciting part. We'll now demonstrate how you can effortlessly create and track bugs in Jira and Aqua with just a single click using the Capture plugin. To get started, you'll need to install the Capture extension from the Chrome Web Store. After installing, it's beneficial to create a Capture account. While Capture can be used independently, creating an account enables seamless integration with Aqua. Once installed, connect Capture to your Aqua account. This process takes only 10 to 15 seconds. Just enter your Aqua instance URL and click to connect. Similarly, for Jira, click Connect, log into your Atlassian account, and accept Capture's request to access your Jira environment. With the setup complete, let's create a new Capture. Navigate to any website, enable Capture, and start recording. Perform any actions until you encounter a defect, such as being unable to enter text in the last name field of a form. Stop your recording and review the captured defect. You'll see all gathered information, including action history, system info, console data, network data, and the video. Name the defect for easy identification. Now, you can create a defect directly in Jira. Select the project, choose the issue type, add a description if needed, and click Create. Your comprehensive bug report is now in Jira, ready for your dev team. Similarly, you can create a defect in Aqua. Select the item type, folder, add a description if needed, and click Next. The defect is created in Aqua and also appears in Jira, staying synchronized between both systems. If you're looking for ways to supercharge your testing process, we've got just the thing for you. Aqua will always offer new and innovative solutions, allowing you to reduce the time spent on routine testing tasks by up to 70% and giving you the space to focus on what's really important. Get started with your account today and see for yourself.